Hello, my dear viewers. This is the Dukas Copy Webinar YouTube channel. You are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 3rd of November 2023. The day is Friday. I'm Dukas Copy's trading community member. My name is Rakesh. I'm your host here, and please do not confuse me as an employee of Dukas Copy Bank. I'm not their employee. I am here just to share my views about the major currency pairs, and in the process, I'll also be covering a few yen crosses and a few bullions, Brent, cryptos, and a few other crosses also. We will be strictly discussing the price action here and ignore all the fundamentals. So please be sure that you are asking questions about the charts only, because I do not talk about fundamentals much. Because as a technical analyst, we know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so we'll just not talk about anything else. We'll just focus on the chart, okay? And for that, we will be using the candlestick charts to find out the key levels of importance for all the pairs that we see, and how we can use those key levels in our trading setups. Actually, at the end of the session, I'll be asking the questions from the viewers. So if you have any particular question, you can ask me questions also, and I'll be very happy to answer those questions. If you have particular pair or instrument in your mind that you want me to discuss, please let me know in the chat box. I'll be taking a look at that instrument also, okay? Before I begin, let me tell you that whatever I am going to tell you here in this live stream, it is only for information or knowledge. Please do not use it as a trading advice. It is not a trading advice, all right? So before I begin the charts, let me take you through the risk disclaimer first. All right, here we are. I think our friends have not joined yet, but it's okay. You can go through this risk disclaimer, understand it completely. Since today is Friday, there is no much of the move expected, but today is a special day. Something really has happened, and I want to cover it for everybody. So let's wait for some time, maybe a minute or two, so that everybody can join who wants to join, because if this is interactive session, it will be better. By the way, is there anyone who is ready to talk right now? So that we can start the thing right away, and rest can join while watching the recap, maybe. See, I want to cover this dollar index dropping below 105.13. That is crucial, and I want to do it in front of most of my viewers, because this is something called change. This is called a change, and this change we have to cover. All right, guys, you look at this now. We have been waiting for this. Now, those who are tracking this market like this, they were thinking, okay, now this is support. I told you about this also in my webinar, that this may be acting as a support and the price may break out on the upside. But till the time the price is not trading above 107.03, I am not buying this market. You can check it in the previous webinars where I have shouted many times that till the time the price is not trading above 107.03, we are not buying this market. Although there is a bullish pin bar and engulfing, everything was there, but the price has to go above this. This is a huge resistance, and this is what happens. Now we can safely sell this market. How we can safely sell this market? Because there are so many things in our favor now. You see the price was making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, that is done, that is there. So this was making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, I'm sorry, again I have done the same mistake like I have done yesterday. You see this is supposed to be here and here. After between these two highs, this was the lowest low, this was broken, so we became cautious. It made a lower high and then it has made a lower low, so the market structure is intact. So we are talking about market structure here, and we are expecting now the price to come back to 105.13, which is possible that it will start acting as a huge resistance now. So if the price comes back to this area, then expect it to act as a huge resistance here, and this may be your area of opportunity to go short in this market. But that is not the only thing. That is not the only thing. If you go to 4 hours, you will see that this is not the only place where we can get the resistance. There are multiple places where we can get the resistance. This one is sure because this was the previous support. Okay, but look at here at these levels. These levels were also a previous good support, and if you extract Fibonacci from the place from this recent say swing, not to here but wherever it makes a low right now. So when you extract it, you will see that this 50% aligns somewhere with these highs, or sorry, these lows, where yes, the price can go back and can find resistance here also. So now what is the possibility that we will be able to identify whether the price is going down from here, here or here? So right now we are not sure, right? This has not happened. So what we do actually we can remove this channel. This channel is distracting us. So now we know that the next level of support is approximately 104.32. This is possible, and if the price continues to 104.32, then we cannot do anything about it. That's just, you can say, bad luck for us. But if for some reason the price starts building up to the top side, like 105.13 area maybe, then we will be looking for a selling opportunity. Suppose our Fibonacci is not in place. Okay, we just leave it like that. So what we can do is we can draw a channel from that place, from where the counter trend moves. Okay, and when the price breaks below that channel, that is the place where we sell this market with the stop loss, and first target will be this, second target will be this, and so on and so forth. I hope you understand this point. Do not sell right now. This is not a place to sell. Even if you sell right now, you see selling at this place will have your stop loss here and your take profit possibly here, which is 1:1 almost risk to reward ratio, and that is not good. Of course, now we have the daily and the bias is bearish now. There's no doubt about it, because now the market has started making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. So this is a downtrending market for the dollar. So we can buy euro, pound, Australian dollar, everything against it. All right. But now, right now, the support may be seen at around 104.32. There is an expected resistance at 105.13, and there is a confirmed resistance at 107.03. All right, guys. All right. So euro dollar 1 hour, something like this was expected, but this became now support, because the price has overcome this area and now this is acting as a support. Yes, there is a resistance still on the way up. 1.0769 is the resistance, but if we just remove all this clutter and then go to the maybe daily chart, we will have a clear image. All right, from the daily, it looks like the price has finally broken the resistance around 1.0694. It has met with the resistance around this area of 1.0736, and that resistance can push the prices back towards 1.0694. So I'll go to 4 hour once again and see that the price from here can be thrown back. Actually from here it was thrown back once, and now it is going to, I think, 1.0769. From there, if the price comes back, that can be a second opportunity to go long in this market. But yes, we are now in an uptrend in the euro. The prices can continue towards 1.0945, 1.1065, 1.1275 also. So be ready with your, I will say, not weapons, but your this thing, what you call it, triggers. This RSI is already overbought, but 63 is not that overbought. It can still continue to some extent to the upside, but if you find it coming down, then be sure to buy it close to 1.0694. Like, don't buy it directly, but wait for that thing which we discussed yesterday, something like this. See, this thing you should be able to understand. Something like this is what you want to buy. You need a lower low at the lowest low and a higher low for a swing, and you need the high of this candle to break for you to buy here somewhere at the support. That thing you should remember. Guys, if you are able to understand this concept, please let me have a like, which is just on the video. Change it into white. If you don't understand anything, you can ask me the questions, but if you are understanding everything, please support me with this likes. That's the only thing that I am asking from you. All right. So that's all for the euro dollar. But if you ask me the support and resistance levels that are of interest, then this resistance will be 1.0769, or it is already at the resistance 1.0736, and the support is possible around 1.0694. Talking about the pound has finally shown some resilience here. It has broken through the symmetrical symmetrical triangle. Now is trading much higher than the resistance of 1.2337. Next resistance is 1.2445. The trend may be now seen as uptrend, okay, and support is 1.2337. It can come back towards this area, but that will be too much. I think it will be supported by this dynamic resistance now, which may be turning as support. So crucial levels for us, 1.2036 on the downside. The first downside will be 1.2337, which I am expecting to act as a support now, and the resistance is 1.2445. The bullish bias is present. On the 4-hour, you can see huge volumes in this one, and the resistance looks like around 1.2445 here. Australian dollar, are we not bullish in this one? We are bullish in this one. Did we not expect something like this? Yes, we did. So okay, the price has reached the level of resistance 0.6521, and the uptrend has started. Somebody was saying that there is a possibility that the price will go up, but we were expecting it to test this area, and that has not happened. So I think we are not long in this market already, but yes, above this level, if it clears this 0.6521 area, then it may be seen as another opportunity to go long. Okay, this may be a buying opportunity because your stop loss will be small, your take profit will be here and here. It's not about how much it can move to the upside. My trader friends, you might be thinking, oh, we know that the market is going up, why not to buy now? Not to buy now, because we know that upside is limited here. This is the maximum extent where we are expecting the price to go, but on the downside we have this much where the price can go. So if you are a little wise, then you will not be buying the market with the 11 pips of potential profits and 200 pips of potential loss. So you don't want to buy such market. On the contrary, if you buy this market like this, when you buy it here, when you see something like this candlestick pattern like this, then my friends, you will have say, if you buy here, you have a potential loss of 50 pips, and you may have a potential profit of 58 pips, first target, and the second target, which is here, is of 300 pips. So you have a huge potential. Actually, second is here, I'm sorry, second potential target is here. So you will have a potential target of around 182 pips, which is much more than 1:3 risk to reward ratio. So rather than buying it here, you wait for some time, let it clear the level of 0.6521, and then let it be taking support there, let it hold there for 3 hours or 4, and then buy it to the top side. All right. USD/JPY, well, we were expecting the price to go down, but this is not what is expected. Right? Anyways, we will be selling this market only and only below 148.80 now. because we are not selling this on the basis of 1 hour. We are looking for a sell off on the basis of 1 day, and that will happen only when the price goes below 148.80 and gives us a clean close up below that. When that happens, we will be looking for selling opportunities. Right now, USD JPY, I'm not willing to sell. No. So when I say no, then no. Okay, we will just put a cross so that next time we observe this. USD CAD, one of my friends was going to buy this market yesterday, and I told don't buy this. Remember? And this is exactly that I was mentioning, that why 1.3660 cannot be there. Hello, I took loss in USD CAD. Okay, Zoomy is okay. But I promised you that I will not make fun of it, so I'll just not do anything about it. Actually, I took a gamble. Labor Day came out and to go to my. Yes, but you know these gambles can blow your account. Even if you have stop losses in place, on these days, the stop losses do not work. You know this? I remember one day my account went into negative because I had stop loss in place, but my stop loss did not get triggered because of the data came out and it blew off my account. I just hope that that didn't happen with you, but if that happens with you, your account goes into negative because your stop loss doesn't get triggered. Okay, so don't fall for these news and everything. Don't trade news. There is no point in trading news if you're a technical analyst. Okay, that's I think very harsh, but yes, we will not laugh or make fun out of it. Zoomy has told yesterday not to do anything about it. Now one thing to note here is that you see this red candle which closed below the support of 1.3660. This had a lot of volumes here, in fact higher than any candle that I can see on the left side till here. So yes, there are a lot of sellers even at these places. This upside which is going right now will even pull more sellers in the market, and the market may be headed towards 1.3568 now. So be sure guys, be sure that you are not disillusioned at this support, the green candle. This is a green candle at the support, but this may be an illusion, or you can say this may be a profit booking at the support, and the prices, if they do not go beyond this 1.3706, you can see that the sellers are coming again to push the prices down. All right, so be cautious about it. Okay, that didn't happen. USD CHF, well, 0.9090 was the resistance. Boom, boom, boom. Did we just talk about this? I think I remember this candle. We talked about this particular candle. This candle, not. We talked about this particular candle, that if there are buyers in the market, they will definitely jump in here and push the prices up. They did not come here and they closed it below. Yes, I had a small stake. Okay, good. Small stakes on the data is okay. So here, when the price went up, the sellers again pushed it down. When the buyers tried to go send it up again, this was entire day, I mean night time, Asian time, nothing happened. But then when they got the chance, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so the price action is suggesting that the price is headed down now. 0.8956 is the first target, and 0.8887 is the second target, guys. Now the charts are telling everything. Till the time the US dollar was not sure which side it is going, so we are having a dilemma. Right now we know where the dollar is going, so mostly we know all the major currency pairs like euro, pound, Australian dollar, USD JPY, USD CAD, USD. We know all these pairs where they are headed, so we all know. Okay, so this is the power of knowing the charts. If you know where the charts are headed, where the candles are headed, you can join them and make money. All right, and can send me someone can send me, you know what is my account number? My account number, let me give you my account number. This is my account number, guys. Transfer me all the profits that you get. Okay, so this is silver, guys, on your screen now. Okay, this is a lot lot of things are here. Let me clean the clutter for you so that you can have a clean vision of what is happening in the silver. We can clean this also. Actually, we can clean all these things so that only the most important levels are here. So this is the daily chart of the silver, and from these 2 points you can expect the monthly movement. Okay, this is the monthly movement. Let me show you. So the monthly chart is confined between these two levels, and thereafter it is uptrend. In uptrend there is an you can say consolidation. So important thing that you want to do is maybe you want to do this maybe, all right, and then you go to the weekly and the daily, all right. So this is much better. Yeah, on the daily the price is channel. From here the price is making lower low, lower high, lower low, then it made a higher high, then it made a higher low, but then it made a lower high, then it made a higher low. So this is called consolidation. This phase is called consolidation, and then it broke lower. That means we were expecting a lower high. So are we expecting a lower low now? Yes, we are expecting a lower low. Okay, but one problem with this is that the US dollar is falling. Whenever the US dollar starts falling, the bullions and these all commodities starts rising. That's a problem. So if the correlation is not happening, so I will say stay away from this market. You understand, guys? Ideally, with the fall of the US dollar, the silver should go up. Yes, the silver should go up, but the market structure is saying that the silver should go down. So if the people who want to send them down want to send it down, and those who want it to go up, they are sending it up, where will it go? It will go nowhere. So I don't want to enter a market which is going nowhere. Getting my point? So my request is stay away from the silver. Okay. What about gold? What is it suggesting? This is suggesting that I am going to go up. Yes, if the dollar index is going down, then gold by all means can go up, but it is already overbought from a long time. So I think this will also go in consolidation. It will fall eventually, but for that US dollar has to stabilize. All right. So if the price goes below 1953, I can be a seller in this market, but right now there is no hint of selling, so I'll just stay away from this market also. You see, guys, we don't have to find trades every day. This is not our job to find the trades every day, but we have to, our job is to just catch the opportunity that is there. Our job is not to find the opportunity which is not there. I don't know whether I will be able to make you understand this or not. If there is no opportunity, there is no trade possible in the gold, then I'll not make that trade. Okay, I'll not think, okay, now the gold is not going down, so it will go up. No. Okay, now the gold is not going up, so it will go down. No, I'll not think. I'll let the market decide where it wants to go, and then I'll follow. Or in other words, I will say, we don't want to decide where the market is going, but wherever the market is going, we will let it go and we will follow it. We, the people. Resistance support is also immaterial because the market is going nowhere. In the Brent, do we have something? Yes, we have something. The first target is 83.45. We have already discussed that previously. The second target will be 81.94, and actually from bottom of my heart and as per this chart, I am thinking that the price is on the verge of breaking 81.94, and it may be looking for 65.75 as the targets on the downside. Why I am saying so? See, the price was rising, okay, very nicely. It got stopped at around 95.92, from where it gave you you can say reaction low, and thereafter it started rising again. But before it could hit the 95.92, the sellers jumped in and they pushed the prices low. Here this was supposed to be bought back by this candle, but it did not. It closed lower, and then this area started acting as a resistance, and thereafter the price has not seen higher levels above 89.87. That means the buyers are not interested in this. Although there was some profit booking at this gap, but even that is now negated from this daily candle. That means you see these volumes, these huge volumes are saying we are not holding Brent for long anytime now. So yes, they are selling. If they are selling off, who can hold these markets? One who has bought at 83.45. Now if they are thrown out of the market, then the next level is 81.94, and if that is taken out, then there is I think the only thing that can support is 78.16. That is what I'm thinking now. 78.16 in my views is now some important level, or I will say important level to some extent. If not that, then 71.48. So downside is huge here. Because of these volumes, I am thinking that the price is really headed lower. You see these all volumes are taken out. So this candle was having huge volumes when we were expecting an up move, then suddenly came something which pushed the prices down even lower than these lows, and now this is acting as a resistance. So yes, the lower prices are very much possible in this market, guys. What do you think about the Brent? Let me know please in the chat if you have any opinions about the Brent. The Bitcoin, a move higher, was not welcomed by the sellers. They pushed the prices low again to the same level. Although my upside is still open, 37,380 till the time the price is trading, I think above this low here or this low. I will mark it on my chart. This is the lowest low that the prices has made. 33,228.3 is the level. Okay, if the price breaks through this level, then I will be thinking about the lower levels, but till the time the price is trading above 33,228, I am only thinking about the higher levels like 37,380. All right. Okay, support and resistance. So Ethereum also I am thinking about 2026. This falling channel may be providing some resistance to the price if the price hits this area. Okay, let's keep our charts clean. Okay, so upside is possible, yes, like I said, but this may be acting as a resistance. 2026 is the resistance, 1744 is the support. That's all, nothing much. Euro versus Australian is consolidating a bit. 1.6552 is the resistance. The support is around 1.6319, but I'm expecting that to break and give us a target around 1.6259 area approximately. Nothing much has changed on these charts. Actually, we should remove all this stuff so that we can clearly see where is the price. Sometimes the analysis paralysis removes everything from your brains and do not let you think clearly. So this is now expected target, guys. Do we have anything? Okay, so this is a sell signal here, and then we have a signal up, like here we will buy. All right, I think this is clean. Yeah, guys, sometimes I keep on doing experiments with my charts. I mean, of course, with the style how they look. If you have any particular style that you like, please let me know. I have different themes here, like this one, like I have on black, then I have blue on white. I mean, so many types of themes are present here. Please let me know which you want to see. This is one of the good themes that most of the people use. But if you like the white, let me know. Okay, I am happy with all the themes. Sometimes the feel of the screen like is not very comfortable as white to all the viewers. So feel free to share with me on the chat how would you want the theme to be. Okay, although this is not that important, but still, if there is some particular preference, I would love to use that. So right now I am switching it back to the default. The default is green and red on the white. All right. Australian dollar against the New Zealand, resistance got hit, the channel got broke. Did we expect this? Watch my previous webinar if you have not. We did expect this and something like this. if we break 1.08415, that will be a go signal for us to go short this pair. Till then we are not doing anything. I'll say not doing anything here, but yes, if the price goes below, then I'll be selling this market here. Okay, I think these signals sometimes hints you what you have to do. Here sell, don't do here anything here. GBP against Australian dollar, we want to sell this market, but we are not getting the opportunity. We need an opportunity. Now that can arise at around 1.9046, or maybe that can arise below 1.8856. This is possible, guys, but the problem here is that this price seems to be holding here. Do you see this? Low, lower low and higher low. This is an indication of reversal, guys. This is an indication of reversal. Suppose this candle closes here like this, and this is the high, then tomorrow if the price breaks this high, then the reversal is confirmed. Okay, so let's see how the things unfold tomorrow. I'm not selling this market right now. I'm not even buying this market though, but I will be cautious about GBP AUD, and I'll sell this market below, I mean somewhere like this, okay. So I'll just stop this one, and then I'll create something like this. This is my expectation that in a week or two maybe it will be going down. That is why I have done like this. What you can do is you can switch it to something like this. Something like this is possible. You see, when this will happen, I am not sure, but if that happens, I will be a seller. Okay, this. So this is much better. US 30, Dow Jones has hit the resistance. We talked about it yesterday, that since the price has come up, now the next level of resistance will be 34,148. After this, we have resistance at 35,096, but expect the price to drop from here. That is what I am expecting. But my expectation doesn't become real things every day, so we have to wait and watch what happens here. If enough sellers are there to push the prices lower, that then it must also become like this, Okay, if that happens, then we wait for this break and then we go down. Otherwise, we don't do anything right now. But yes, if you want to buy this market, I think you would like to see something like this, and then you will buy here. All right, and you can remove all these clutters from here, because now the market is trending up, and anything trading above this, which has right now happened, will open the way to 35,096. So right now price is trading at the resistance 34,148, and the downside is possible here, although but still I will say 32,318 is the support. And since the price has seen 1 or 2 points higher than this level, that this level was 34,148, and today the price has seen 34,163, that means it has seen higher prices. That means buyers are trying to take control of the market. So with small pullback, it is possible that the price will head towards 35,096. All right, CAD CHF, higher prices are possible, some pullback, boom 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 boom. So expect the price to move like this. Okay, this is possible, guys. I'm sorry, this is possible. So what you can do is you can do something like this. Okay, support is 0.6524, the resistance is 0.6632 in this market. So let me tell you now the quickly. Okay, so you remember, guys, yesterday we talked about this that there is a bearish pin bar, there is a bearish engulfing, but I'm not selling this market until and unless it breaks this channel. This is what happens. The pound finally got off, the Canadian dollar going down, so that's why GBP CAD went up. Now this level will start acting as a good support for the price if the price comes from top to this level. So the now targets are open for 1.7333 in this market, guys. USA Tech on the similar, I think yesterday we saw a breakout to the upside, then it started acting as a support. I told you that there is a possibility of 15,338 on the upside, and the upside is possible, but the price has already shoot up, so we cannot trade it now. From the daily point of view, we have resistance at 15,338 and the next resistance is 15,628. Yeah, expect 14,849 to act as a support if the price comes from top to this level. Or DJPY, a long green candle. 97.67 is the next resistance now. Expect 96.92 to act as a support if the price comes to this level. So these two are the crucial levels for you. This was expected and that is happening. GBP JPY also must be going up and up. We discussed about it yesterday also, and now all right, 185.78 is the resistance, guys. First resistance, second is approximately 186.76. So all those who are making money here, I'm happy for you. GBP CHF, my friend wanted to short this market. Okay, who is my friend who wanted to short this market? I remember yesterday we talked about it. That after a move up, when the price came here, it is acting as a support. So this was possible, and that is exactly what happened. I said that we will sell this market below 1.0998, but that did not happen. Euro GBP, although we are not trading this market till yesterday, but today that has happened what we were expecting. So since the price has come down, so cross removes from here, the price has broken this level, the channel is intact, but I think in a day or two the channel will also go and 0.8682 will start acting as a resistance where we can sell this market with a target of 0.8492. Let's see how the things unfold. But right now this channel is intact. On Monday this channel will not be there. Just we need to see a break from this channel now, and we'll be sure that the price is headed towards 0.8610 and then around 0.8492. The last is CHF JPY. Well, it is still consolidating. I think a lot of buyers are not already into it. When they come, this channel will break and we'll see 168.41 for us. The support lies around 159.94, which is too low, so the price may keep on consolidating to that level or going to that level for some time before it makes a move for 168.41. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me those questions in the chat box that is provided to you. Or if you have any concern, if you have any other question other than the technicals that you think are not related to our webinar but still you have in your mind, maybe you just want to throw it so that we can know if you have any questions and I can put it across my other friends who are already into the markets. They will be able to answer you maybe. Zumi is saying thank you, have a nice weekend. Thank you, Zumi, for being here, and you also have a nice weekend. I think you are the only one that has joined today. No one is talking, but it's okay. I don't force anyone. If you feel free, you can talk. If you don't want to talk, that is up to you. Let me wrap up this webinar for this weekend. I hope you all guys know about the support and the resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. My request to you will be that please keep in mind to only risk 1% of your capital on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this webinar and request you please press the like button if you find this useful for you. This actually helped me in the YouTube algorithm, although this is not my channel, but the channel gets the support who is offering you to this free analysis. And you can leave your suggestions in the comment section about what you want in the next webinar or something like that, and I'll really consider that. And you can consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars because we are doing it Monday to Friday 1700 GMT. Have a good weekend. Thank you very much for watching. And by the way, Zumi, if you want, you can also connect with me on my Skype handle, which is being shown on your screen right now.